Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Memphis local and long distance movers near me. Every lovely place has residents who would instead move within it than out of it, and Memphis is no different. You're probably one of those who isn't ready to let go of what this place offers but wants a change of environment. Local movers like Memphis Local TM Movers can help you move within Memphis. The movers Memphis has in it that specialize in local relocation understand this place well enough to navigate the factors that affect relocation in it. Moving to Memphis is something that's been on the mind of many. Some are moving for a new job, some to enjoy what it offers, and others for many other reasons. No matter what's bringing you to the lovely Memphis, you need a long-distance mover, and if you look among FL movers, you'll find options. Long distance, like Memphis Long Distance 3 movers, have different expertise and experience and face different situations and challenges from local movers. While local movers can handle relocation within a town, long distance movers are trained to plan and handle moving items across borders. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Memphis moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.